Clean and degrease nearly any surface with state's green certified cleaner, Ecolution Pro Cleaner Degreaser. Ecolution Pro Cleaner Degreaser is a green certified product with a neutral pH containing zero fragrance or chemical odor. Ecolution Pro Cleaner Degreaser is the versatile choice for eradicating even the toughest of accumulated greases and soils. Unlike many solvent degreasers, Ecolution provides the same results with an environmentally acceptable biodegradable formulation. Ecolution Pro Cleaner Degreaser can be used on tabletop surfaces like counters, as well as walls, floors, and heavily soiled factory or industrial equipment. Because Ecolution Pro Cleaner Degreaser is super concentrated, it can be diluted to meet any cleaning need. Use it in conjunction with State's one solution dilution system for a perfect mix every time. Ecolution Pro Cleaner Degreaser is part of State's complete Ecolution product line. Each solution is biodegradable, non-toxic, and shipped in recyclable packaging. Many products in the line also come with third-party certifications, including EPA Safer Choice, Green Seal, and Eco Logo. Ecolution Pro Cleaner Degreaser is ideal for use in commercial kitchens, garages, machine shops, or on industrial equipment. It can be applied as a spray and wipe cleaner, with a mop and bucket, with a pressure washer, or inside an automatic floor scrubber. Ecolution Pro Cleaner Degreaser, another great product by State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.